Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to review another website that is Marine.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, watch the video till the end because by then we will be able to decide either this is a legit or a scam store. So let's check out the details of this website. It is an online store which appears on 22nd July 2021. This store sells a bunch of niche and unique products. You can purchase products from footwear to toys with great price range. The website also offers the international delivery option, so there are not any boundary of purchase from anywhere in the world. And their products are speaker, HDMI cables, tent and shelters, beauty and personal care, tools and hardware, cycling accessories. Let's check out some more details regarding this website. On their official portal, they have mentioned the contact number and the email address that has been mentioned on the official portal. It is matching the domain name, which is a positive sign. For return policy, they are offering 14 days return, and you can enjoy free shipping over the shopping of $40 plus, and the shipping time requires 15 to 30 business days after the purchase. The positive point of shopping from the store are the website has multiple product categories to buy a product at a great price. An international delivery option is available. Numerous payment methods are accessible to product financial information from third parties. The website has HTTPS protocol and the product prices are very reasonable. The negative factor of Morine are the product have not received any customer review. The social presence of the store is not available. The international delivery fee is very expensive. The website layout is not organized in a manner. Shipping time is taking a lot more than usual, and we are unfortunate to find customer review. So here we can conclude that by discussing all this critical information, we can say that the website domain appears just 9 days ago and the product has not been reviewed by any customer. Moreover, they have the social media present, but it's not in use, and the trust score of this website is just 1%, and nothing could be found on Alexa software. We could not unable to find reviews that can recommend this. So overall we found that this website is suspicious and we do not recommend any one of you to go with this website. And if you have any experience of shopping from this store, please do share your experience with us. We love to hear from you, and your experience can help the other person to decide about their shopping experience, either to go with this website or to stay away from this website. On our behalf, we are not recommending this website for any shopping.